Most people believe wealth is about flashing cars, showing off expensive brands, and living loudly so everyone knows you made it. But here's the secret: the richest people don't need anyone's approval. They build wealth quietly, strategically, and invisibly, while the world is too distracted watching the loud ones. So today I'll show you 10 powerful hacks to get rich without anyone noticing. These are not lottery tricks or fake promises. They're real methods the wealthy use to build silent empires while still blending into everyday life. If you learn these hacks, you'll not only grow richer but also avoid the jealousy, judgment, and unnecessary attention that destroys many people who get money too fast. Hack 1. Live below the radar. Quiet wealth begins with mastering the art of living under the radar. Instead of chasing validation, you live with intentional simplicity. This doesn't mean living poor. It means you make smart choices. Instead of a flashy luxury car on finance, you buy a reliable car in cash. Instead of flexing designer logos, you wear timeless, high-quality clothes with no labels screaming for attention. The goal is to look stable, not flashy. To the outside world, you appear ordinary. But quietly, in your bank accounts and investments, your money grows like a hidden fire no one can see. The rich understand, wealth whispers while fake riches scream. Hack 2. Use stealth income streams. To get rich unnoticed, you must create invisible sources of income. This means money that flows without anyone asking too many questions. For example, digital assets like ebooks, courses, or apps under pen names. Dividend stocks and real estate that deposit cash quietly into your account. Freelancing or consulting under private brands. The trick is not just to earn money, but to earn it in ways people don't trace directly to you. That way you don't invite envy, fake friends, or relatives suddenly asking for favors. Quiet wealth builders protect their income sources like secret weapons. Hack 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Here's one of the deadliest traps. Every time people make more money, they start spending more to look richer. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's the reason so many people stay broke even when they earn 6 figures. But if you want to get rich silently, you must reject this trap. Keep your expenses steady while your income grows. When you get a raise, invest the difference. When your side hustle explodes, reinvest profits instead of buying a car you don't need. The rich understand that the gap between income and expenses is where wealth is born. Hack 4. Build assets that don't flash. Everyone loves showing off real estate, cars, or gold chains. But the wealthy know the best assets are invisible ones. Think about it. Stocks don't scream when you buy them. Bonds sit quietly in your portfolio. Index funds grow silently in the background. Online businesses run 24/7 without you bragging about them. These assets don't shout to the world that you're rich. They just quietly increase your net worth while people assume you're just average. Quiet millionaires are asset collectors, not attention seekers. Hack 5. Move in silence, invest in silence. You've probably heard the phrase, move in silence and let success make the noise. But the truth is, in the wealth game, even success shouldn't make the noise. You invest and grow quietly. Don't brag about your crypto. Don't tell everyone about the real estate deal you just closed. Don't announce your stock picks. The more people know about your money, the more opinions, jealousy, and attacks you invite. The wealthiest investors share one thing in common. They don't announce moves until it's too late for anyone to copy or block them. Hack 6. Master the art of financial disguise. Quiet wealth requires financial camouflage. You don't want people, or even banks, employers, or neighbors, knowing the full picture of your money. This doesn't mean illegal hiding. It means structuring your money smartly. Use multiple income sources across different platforms. Store wealth in diversified places: stocks, businesses, real estate. Don't have all your money flowing through one obvious channel. If people can't see your wealth, they can't judge it, exploit it, or try to take it from you. Remember, the best wealth is invisible wealth. Hack 7. Build a quiet network. The rich don't scream their success. Instead, they connect with other quiet wealth builders. Networking doesn't mean posting your achievements online. It means finding the right rooms where no one is trying to impress anyone. It's private masterminds, dinners with entrepreneurs, quiet investor groups. The power of these circles isn't in bragging but in sharing strategies, deals, and opportunities that never make it to the public. Your quiet network becomes your silent advantage. Hack 8. Own time, not just things. Most people chase material symbols of wealth, but the rich chase time freedom. Here's the truth: you can rent luxury cars, you can fake designer brands, but you can't fake control over your time. The quiet path to wealth is about building systems that let you choose how you live, businesses that run without you, investments that pay you while you sleep, Owning your time is the highest form of invisible wealth. No one sees it, but you feel it every day. Hack 9. Build generational wealth in silence. Quiet wealth isn't about looking rich now, it's about building a foundation for the future. This means creating trusts, investment accounts, and businesses that pass down money long after you're gone. The flashy rich chase status for today. The quiet rich chase security for their grandchildren. While others flex today's paycheck, you're planting trees that will grow money for decades. That's the real power of silent wealth. Hack 10. Master the psychology of low-profile living. The final hack isn't financial, it's psychological. To get rich quietly, you must train your mind to detach wealth from validation. Stop needing people to see your success. Stop needing to prove anything. Start enjoying the power of being underestimated. Because when people think you're average, you're free. Free to move, free to build, free to grow. And one day they'll look up and realize you weren't average at all. You were building an empire they never saw coming. So, if you want to get rich without anyone noticing, remember this. Wealth is power, and the greatest power is often invisible. Apply these 10 hacks, move with silence, and build your empire where no eyes can see. And when you're ready to step into the world of wealth, strategy, and the psychology of the rich, this is your place. Hit subscribe if you're building your empire one habit at a time. New videos every Tuesday and Friday.